Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar yen, I still think this looks like 5 waves up. We may be getting very close to ending this wave 5, which would definitely lead to a pretty big move to the downside, potentially even taking out the lower wave 4. But we do have to keep in mind this is the monthly time frame, and when we say close on the monthly, could be anywhere between 1, 2, 3 candles up to 6, maybe 8 candles, and that potentially means that we could have anywhere from 3 to 8 months before this thing actually really does end. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, ever since this last correction right here, it definitely looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. Makes me think that this move right here is a wave 4, and we got to go up one more time to make a wave 5 of wave 5 before we really do make that bigger push down. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I said, this definitely looks to me like a 1, 2, 3. Makes me think that this is a wave 4. Now, just because it's a wave 4 doesn't mean that it may not go down again to make a more proper looking ABC like this over here, 1, 2, 3 waves down, before it does go up and make that wave 5. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I have been talking about this for a while, but it does look like this could be a wave A. This could possibly be a wave B. If it is a wave B, then it could possibly actually go down and make a wave C, and this could be an ABC of 4. Now, most dollar pairs, if we're talking about the dollar news today, we got CPI for the dollar inflation data. Most dollar pairs are telling us that the dollar is more likely to go up. So I'm wondering if this move down is actually a correction. And I am still wondering, like I've been saying on my videos for a while now, if this is actually just going to keep on going up and make new highs and that the wave 4 is already complete. I personally have a hard time sorting the yen pairs because I do realize this is a 4-year uptrend on the yen pairs. I don't really like sorting the yen pairs. I much prefer to just go long every single chance I get at the end of every single pullback. Buying the dip on the yen pairs has been a really good strategy for about 4 years now, and we don't really know that this trend is over. It could potentially turn into a 5-year uptrend. So for me, definitely still looking for longs in a uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it's definitely a pretty impulsive move down, but most of the dollar pairs do tell me that up is still the direction. So I think there's a good chance that today's CPI moves may actually cause it to go up. Now, if it goes up, bounces from a fib level, goes down, breaks structure, that would definitely turn me into a seller. But right now, I'm not really convinced that this move down is anything beyond a correction to the last move up. Maybe it's just a correction to this last 5 waves up. This is like an ABC, and today's news is just going to cause it to keep on trending up. Like I said, I am more interested in going long on the yen pairs for sure. I have been looking for longs on the yen pairs for the better part of a few years now, and I'm definitely going to continue to do so. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.